that all of you doing great. Well, yesterday we said probably this could be another buying opportunity for the people who actually miss the bottom, or probably who actually miss all that big pumping suddenly that we see. And we even gave the reason for it. Number one, we gave the reason why the respective downfall is happening within the crypto market because of this Silicon Valley Bank collapse or the failure news. And the USDC stablecoin announced that they had $3.3 billion worth of assets exposed to the Silicon Valley Bank. So obviously with the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, the USDC started depegging. Everybody started selling the USDC. But at the same time, there was a speculation of 50 basis point hike, and we already had a big pump in the market, so we were due a correction. All that factors together were combining and pulling the Bitcoin price down. But we said, based on the speculation, that this is one of the big news, right? If a bank like Silicon Valley Bank collapses, like, it is going to have a huge after effect for the entire economy, for so many companies, for the entire macro. I mean, we might be entering into a recession, right? So the authorities would not let it happen. So they will come for the rescue, and the moment with the rescue news, the USDC will start repegging and the market will start pumping. And exactly that is what happened. And that is the exact reason that you saw the Bitcoin pumped, like not just crossed $20,000, $21,000, and then above $22,000 it held. But are we saying that we have cleared all the issues? Probably not. Why? Because today there will be a lot of things. And in fact, the entire coming week, there will be a lot of things happening. See, the damage is already there. That the crisis is already there. That's why the Silicon Valley Bank thing we have heard. Yesterday, the US Treasury Department announced that they will ensure that the depositors in the Silicon Valley Bank will be having access to their funds. So somebody is coming out for the rescue. Somebody is doing the crisis management. And with that particular news, the little bit of positive sentiment spread in the market. That was it. Today there will be a Fed emergency meeting behind the closed doors. They understand probably we are in a critical situation. If the rate is not increased too much, the inflation is going to go out of hand. If the rate is increased too much, something like this that we saw with the Silicon Valley Bank will keep on happening. What to do? Yes, there is a tense situation. But there is also a unique situation that is happening in the world right now with all that proceedings. And I wanted to talk about it. Probably it might be good for the Bitcoin. With the Silicon Valley Bank collapse and everything is happening, probably people are coming for the rescue. What do we feel? People used to believe banks are the most safe haven for their cash, right? And right now, probably that dream is being shattered. What do you think? The big institutions having big sum of money safely kept in the bank, it's not secure. That's what they'll realize. Probably they will not keep all their eggs in one basket, like, or even a major chunk of the money into the banks. Now, where do they put it? When you're trying to talk about the investment, let's say they want to put it in a crypto market, and then they want to put it in a stable coin. But we have seen what happened with the stable coin, right? The USDC collapse. We had the USD collapse. Sometimes there are thoughts about the Tether, USDT as well. If keeping their money into these stable coins is not safe enough, what should they do? Probably they will even consider buying the Bitcoin. And when so many people are going to be dragged towards buying the Bitcoin, we might witness another bull market. So this could be something, the Bitcoin moment that it was designed for. 2008 financial crisis, after that, led to the innovation of the Bitcoin to solve this inflation problem, to solve this banking problem. And right now, 12 years, 13 years, Bitcoin has marketed itself through in the world, right? People are using it, utilizing it. And now again, the banking system being collapsing or probably on the verge of collapse, the inflation and everything is happening. Probably this could be one of the moment of the Bitcoin. So all that thing is happening, guys. And now I hope that you know the exact reason. Like, there is a rescue for the Silicon Valley Bank that is going to be occurring as per the US Treasury. So the $3.3 billion of reserves of the USDC will be accessible to them. That's what they claim. And then obviously the repegging happened for the USDC. Would the Silicon Valley Bank probably will be safe? With that particular news, the market started rallying back. So all that factor is the reason for the current scenario that we see. Again, are we saying that the dark clouds are over? Probably not. We'll have to watch out for today, for this week. Tomorrow there will be FOMC meeting. We'll need to see what is the rate hike, what is going to happen. It will be critical to watch what the authorities decide. So again, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about how do we grow your finances. The goal of this channel is to provide financial freedom to all of our subscribers. Until then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.